Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Bowling off with cricket, former West Indies pacer and head coach of the Barbados Pride, Vasper Drakes, has blasted Cricket West Indies for their treatment of the regional four-day championship, saying that the competition is being staged at substandard grounds. More in this report. Jamaica's cricket-loving public craved the playing of the sport locally, but within a week of its return to the shores, the country has been heavily criticised for the state of the grounds outside of Sabina Park. Apart from the country's main cricket venue, one match was staged at Chedwin Park in Spanish Town, with another set for Kensington Cricket Club this week. At Chedwin Park, the first day of the match between the Barbados Pride and the combined campuses and colleges was abandoned without a ball being bowled. It was due to a ground staff member leaving a hose running overnight for more than 12 hours, which caused a waterlogged outfield. Head over to the Kensington Cricket Club, and there are concerns about the playing area. Based on TVJ Sports observations on Monday, there were several patchy areas, and Barbados Pride coach Vasper Drakes was not amused.
I don't think there's much difference in terms of the outfield. It's really unfortunate that the West Indies Cricket Board have not did their due diligence. I think we focusing too much on the World Cup. I think it's beautiful to have cricket in the country, community outreach programs. I think if you look at the conditions that we have, you can see we are a little bit behind par as it relates to elite athletes playing on venues.
Drakes says he has seen a recurring problem which he believes can be detrimental to upcoming players.
I said it in the last year in the Super 50s. I guess people wasn't too happy about it, but I think like anything else, the truth is not a sin. And if we want to develop our cricketers, we have to have the conditions that allow them to flourish. So again, if you look around, I don't think this environment is adequate enough to host first-class cricket.
Cricket West Indies Director of Cricket Miles Bascom says the hands of the board were tied in terms of options, with a World Cup on the horizon.
CWI and WIPA, because CWI cannot make these decisions unilaterally. CWI has engaged WIPA to look at facilities outside of the usual first-class venues that are appropriate for first-class cricket, right? In the absence of the availability or given the inavailability of some of the venues due to the renovation works. And so there were a number of inspections taking place, including Kensington and Chedwin Park.
While there is an opposition to games being played at some venues in Jamaica, Day 3 of the clash between the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force and the Guyana Harpy Eagles was delayed with interference from cows at the Connery Sports Club in St. Kitts.